pagi sahabat, apa kabar? Semoga sahabat semua baik-baik saja ya. Pagi ni kawan saya baik saya ya, iaitu Maggie ya, Puan Maggie ya, akan membawa saya berjumpa anaknya. Ni kawan saya Maggie.
Hai.
Anaknya seorang doktor ya, dan mempunyai klinik sendiri bersama rakan kongsinya. Jadi kami akan ke sana lah ya. Tu yang kelihatan ialah flyover Batu Tiga, dan bangunan putih di depan tu ialah Hospital Timberland ya.
I don't watch
So
TV.
kita kena melalui
I don't watch TV also.
untuk ke klinik tersebut.
Watch YouTube.
Okay,
That's
stay
why
tune
also.
dan lihat di mana lokasinya ya.
Channel, this Lokman Adam,
Yeah.
Hustle Channel,
Oh.
Fazlin, and then this Nazlin Unity. I used to like, but
Yeah, I don't like it anymore.
I don't like it anymore
Yeah.
because the introduction is just too
It's too long.
Like this Hustle, and they are straight to the point. Lokman Adam also, he even asks, his viewers to ask questions, ask questions, and then he answer right there and then. And he answered without fear or favor. That's what I like. He does not hide things. Very transparent. All very good. All very good. Of course, different people, different YouTubers. They have their own theme. You see.
Yeah, they have their own style.
Their own theme also, like politics.
Yeah.
And maybe cooking and lifestyle.
Yeah. Oh, it's here.
Yeah. No, I have to go from here and turn there. Yeah. Take the picture first.
No, Miklong Bridal is also here.
Yeah, and then new Chef Delicious.
Yeah.
You take the picture first, and then later on, then you do the speaking, right? Yeah.
Let's take the video.
Ini adalah jalan U-turn kembali ke Batu Tiga ya, dan klinik tersebut terletak tak jauh daripada sini. So tontonlah sampai habis.
Ini kawan saya Maggie.
Yeah, okay. Have you ever seen Aaron when he was very small, yeah?
Yeah.
You tell him after you were students, Until today, they still click with me, former students. 1979, 1980. Oh, some of them sudah
It's
retired.
here.
Yes.
Oh, so near. Tak
Yes,
mau.
very near. They clinic chai.
Oh.
Making sure the one who that is. There you see that.
Yeah.
So ni ubat-ubat yang diberi kepada saya ya, ada 7 jenis. Dan semasa saya di klinik tersebut, saya juga diberi injection ya. Dan serta-merta dada saya terasa macam tidak lagi tidak sendat ya. Lega terus. Saya sebenarnya mengidap penyakit bronkitis ya, ataupun peringkat awal paru-paru basah ya. Nasib baiklah kawan saya bawa saya berjumpa anaknya. Kalau tidak ke hospital lah jawabnya saya ni. Itulah yang dinamakan berkat ya, blessing. So kalau kawan-kawan ada juga batuk-batuk, sakit macam saya, bolehlah datang ke klinik ni ya. Tak jauh pun di Kuching ni ya, dekat Batu Tiga ni saja. So inilah saja perkongsian saya untuk hari ini. Semoga ianya bermanfaat. Okay, bye-bye.